welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So let us begin with the chapter number 1 of grammar, and the name of the chapter is the English alphabet, right? So इस chapter में हम लोग बात करने वाले हैं English alphabets के बारे में. So let's see that what they are telling us, right? So there are 26 letters in the English alphabet. As we all are aware कि English alphabets में total 26 letters present होते हैं, right? We all know this very well. The English alphabets begins with A and ends at Z. हमें सभी को पता है कि इंग्लिश अल्फ़ाबेट्स ए से शुरू होती हैं और जेड पर ख़त्म होती है, राइट? सो लुक, रीड एंड अंडरस्टैंड. तो जल्दी से इन्हें देखते हैं, पढ़ते हैं और समझते हैं कि ये क्या कह रहे हैं, राइट? सो हियर वी हैव A for apple, B for boy, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for girl, H for horse, I for ice cream, J for jug, K for fight, L for lawyer. Moving ahead. M for mango, N for nest, O for orange, P for parrot, Q for queen, R for rabbit, S for ship, T for tiger, U for umbrella, V for van, W for watch, X for X-ray, Y for yak, and Z for zebra, right? So all these are the 26 alphabets of English, correct? Now, we have another topic which is the capital and the small letters. तो अब ये जो English alphabet में जो letters हैं, इन्हें हम दो तरीके से लिख सकते हैं, right? The first is the capital letters and the second is the small letters, correct? So, letters of English can be written in two ways. First of all, जल्दी से capital letters को देखते हैं. As you can see, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, right? As you can see कि इन सभी letters जो हैं यहाँ पर इस cloud में, ये सभी अपने capital forms में लिखे हैं, correct? Now we have a thing to learn which says capital letters are also called big letters or uppercase letters or sometimes just capitals, right? तो ये जो capital letters हैं, इन्हें हम और भी बहुत सारे नामों से जानते हैं, जैसे कि big letters, uppercase letters या फिर कभी-कभी सिर्फ capitals के नाम से भी बुला सकते हैं, correct? Next, if we move ahead to the small letters. So as you can see, यहाँ पर small letters लिखे हैं, that is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z, right? So हमने देखा यहाँ पर ये सभी letters अपने small letters, small form में लिखे हुए हैं, correct? Now, there's a point to learn that says small letters are also called lowercase letters. के जो स्मॉल लेटर्स हैं ये सभी लोअर केस लेटर्स के नाम से जाने जाते हैं. करेक्ट? मूविंग अहेड. Now, here we have some exercises. Let us see that what they are telling us to do, right? So, first of all, begin with the question A, which is, write the small letter below each capital letter. तो यहाँ पर हमें कुछ capital letters दिए गए हैं जिनके नीचे हमें इनका small form लिखना है, right? So, let's begin with this. So, we all know A कैसे लिखा जाता है, right? So, it is A. B. B is written as, right? C. C can be written as. D. D can be written as. E. E can be written as. F. F can be written as. G. G can be written as. H. H can be written as this. I. J. K. L. Right? So, with these things, we all can write like this, the capital letters and their small letters. Right? Moving ahead, let's move to the exercise B. So, exercise B says, write the capital letters below each small letter. तो अब यहाँ पर हमें small letters दिए गए हैं और इनके लिए हमें capital letters लिखने हैं. Very simple. So, the first letter is M. So, let's write M in the capital over here. N. N can be written as like this. O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. And X. Right? I hope I made you clear with these things and you are clear with the small and the capital letters as well. Moving up to the next exercise, which is exercise C. Write your name as well as your friend's name in capital letters. Right? So, हमें यहाँ पर अपना और अपने friend का नाम लिखना है capital letters में. So, suppose my name is Soumya. So, let's write my name in the capital letters here. So, it is S-O-M-Y-A. Right? Now, moving up to the next one where I have to write my friend's name in the capital letters only. Suppose my friend's name is Rashmi. So, I'll write Rashmi in the capital letters over here, which is R-A-S-H-M-I. Right? So, that was all about the chapter. I hope you all are clear with this and you all got the things well. So, that was all from my side. Thank you so much and do have a great day ahead.